I love how chicken can be super versatile because we have different parts of chicken which you can cook in different ways. In this recipe, we're going to be using some chicken breast to make some delicious, very flavorful Cajun butter chicken breast, which is going to turn out so delicious. This chicken recipe is a lifesaver for those busy nights because it's going to take around 15 minutes to cook, including the prep time. So grab the ingredients and let's get cooking. This is a recipe for one, and of course you can double or even triple the ingredients to make more, maybe for meal prepping or for your family. So I'm going to be using 2 chicken breasts for the recipe. We have some zucchini, coriander, some crushed garlic, we have butter, some paprika, Cajun seasoning, oregano, and garlic powder, salt, cooking oil, and some leftover rice, which is perfect for this recipe because it has vegetables, that is carrot rice. And to learn how to make the recipe, you can check up here or in the description box down below for the full detailed carrot rice recipe. You're going to start off by making crisp cuts on your chicken, and I've already chopped up the chicken in 2 pieces just like this. So I'm going to place my chicken and make straight cuts on the chicken just like this. Flip the chicken and make the crisscross pattern. And there you go. Place in my bowl and repeat with the other chicken breasts. Pick your bowl and add in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Add in your spices. We have a teaspoon of garlic powder, paprika and Cajun seasoning, and half a teaspoon of oregano. Add in some salt. Once done, I'm going to let the chicken marinate for at least 15 minutes before cooking. And if you have time, cover and place it in the fridge overnight, and it's going to be fantastic. I'm ready to cook my Cajun butter chicken breast. So I'm going to place a pan over medium flame, add in some cooking oil. Wait for the cooking oil to get hot. That is going to take around 30 seconds. And once your pan is nice and hot, you're going to place your chicken breast. You're going to place your chicken breast on your pan. Remember, if your chicken doesn't have this gorgeous marinade color, it's not well seasoned. Because chicken breast takes no time to cook, it's going to take around 1 to 2 minutes on each side for the chicken breast to cook. Just make sure to reduce the flame to medium low so that your chicken breast can slowly cook without burning. Wow! Just look how gorgeous the chicken breast is looking. I'm going to add the rest of the pieces on the side. You want to cook your chicken breast without overcooking, because once it's overcooked, it's going to turn out very dry, and we need the chicken breast to be super juicy once we bite in. So this is how the chicken breast is looking after a couple of minutes. This is around 3 minutes, and it's gorgeous. Yes, just look at that. This is a high protein recipe, so you don't need to overcook your chicken because it's going to lose all those nice nutrients. So next, after 4 minutes, I'm going to add in 3 cloves of garlic. I love adding in some fresh garlic or ginger to my chicken because the garlic adds in a very nice flavor to the chicken, as well as removing the chicken smell. Pick a spatula. No, I need a smaller one. Add in a tablespoon of butter. And when the butter is well melted, you're going to cook the garlic, butter, and the chicken over low flame for around 1 to 2 minutes. Just watch over the garlic as it's cooking, because you don't want the garlic to turn out burnt, because it's going to get bitter. So next I'm going to warm up my rice using a pan. You can also use your microwave. So I'm going to place over medium low flame. Add in a teaspoon of cooking oil. Wait for around 30 seconds so that the oil can get hot. Meanwhile, I'm going to add in some zucchini to my chicken breast. It's smelling absolutely delicious. Reduce the flame to low and let the zucchini cook together with the chicken. I'm going to add in a tiny bit of salt to fully season my chicken. Squeeze some lemon juice on the chicken and it's going to bring out all those nice flavors. Back to my pan. The oil is hot. I'm going to transfer in my rice. Break down the rice just like this. I'm going to warm up my rice for around 2 minutes, and this is how the chicken is looking. Let me tell you, I'm salivating because it looks absolutely beautiful. The chicken has a perfect sear. The zucchini is perfectly cooking and it's well seasoned. After 1 to 2 minutes, the zucchini will be well cooked and it will absorb all the nice flavors from the chicken drippings, the seasoning, butter, and it's going to be looking so gorgeous. So now, because everything is ready, I'm going to finalize by garnishing with lots of coriander, which is going to add in flavor and also garnish the dish. And immediately the coriander hits the pan, you're going to catch a very nice aroma. So I'm going to stir in. I've already had a piece of the chicken. It's so delicious. And now I'm ready to serve. My rice also is ready. I'm going to pick a serving spoon. Serve up my carrot rice. Serve up my carrot rice in a nice bowl. Pick my chicken. It's super juicy. It's super juicy, so I'm going to place on my plate just like this. Just look at that. Add in the zucchini. This is how my Cajun butter chicken breast is looking, and as you can see, the presentation as always is to perfection. The chicken breast is flavorful, delicious. It has a very nice sear, which makes the chicken breast super gorgeous, and also the zucchini is perfectly cooked. The rice is a lifesaver because it's meal prepped, so all I have to do is preheat and enjoy my lunch or dinner. Double, triple the ingredients and make for your entire family because this recipe is so